All right, this is part two of the air skimmer in SolidWorks. I'm sorry, in Inventor. SolidWorks is another software that you can do the same. So in this, we're gonna go ahead and do the fin. Now notice fin 1 and fin 2 is the exact same. So we're just gonna build one of them. And then when we assemble it, we're just gonna go ahead and duplicate them. So we're just gonna have two, all right? So fin 1, we're going to concentrate on that. So you can see it's a 3 by 3 over here, and then it's have a 1/2 on each of the edge, and then that's just a connection at the end. So to do that problem, we're going to go into here again. To go to your sketch, we're going to go ahead, and there's multiple way of doing this, but we can just go ahead and click on you know what, let's do it this way. I'm sorry, let's do rectangle, sketch rectangle, and then we can do the XY plane. All right, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a square. Okay, there's multiple way of doing these things here. So what I'm gonna go do right now is I'm gonna teach you guys some constraint as well. So I'm gonna click on that and this as well by holding the shift key. I want to set those to be equals. Okay, so as you can see, they are equal now. And because they are equal, everything here is equal. All right. Um, Parallel lines, parallel, and it's perpendicular, so it's opposite or parallel and congruence. So we got that done. We can go ahead and put in dimensions. Um, and this is the reason. If you put in just one dimension, the other one is also take care of that dimension. All right. I hope I did that right. So we're going to go ahead and click on the home button. That's 3. Okay. We're going to look back at the front again. All right. So let me zoom in. If you use your roller on your mouse, you can just pan in and out. Zoom, not pan. All right, I'm going to move that there. Escape. I got 3 units. All right. And this one right here, if you don't trust me, you can go ahead and take the dimension out, and it's the exact same. All right. There is a constraint is that this is the same as the other one. Right. That's why you can see the parentheses. So now here's the thing. If you go in here and you want to change this dimension to a different numbers, right now it's 3. Let's say you put in 7, for example. The bottom is also changed to 7. Okay, as you can see. All right. But what we want is we want it to be 3. So we're going to change it back to 3. Okay. So we got that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to click on line here. And I'm just going to go on to the top here to go into here. My mouse, I apologize. I'm going to move it to, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that I can draw it on. So I'm going to track it over. I should be able to get my, I don't want to draw on the midpoint. Okay, so I'm going to go to the left a little bit, draw it, and then I'll draw somewhere on the line as well right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and do dimension. I want to make sure that the distance from here, I'm sorry about my mouse, to this point is 1/2. And I do the same thing from this right here to that point right there, the red point. That's also another 1/2. Notice I do 1/2 instead of do 0.5. All right. Then now I just go in and I trim out this right here. Okay. The other way of doing it is, just use the line segment and create everything. All right. Same thing. Okay. Now that is done, we're going to go ahead and 3D model it. Extrude. All right. Let's see where it is right now. You can see that it's right there, and I like to extrude to the back. And just like the main body that when we did in the other video, the thickness of paper, we're going to do 0.01. All right, so that is how it is. And that is the fin. All right, so that is the fin that we just create, this one right here. And because this one is the same, everything the same. We just create one of them. And that's it.